Okay, today we are going to be doing another quarantine at-home edition. We're going to be cooking some food, and today we are going to be making you some Tex Mex style nachos.
We love Tex Mex food.
Oh my god, it's so good. This is something that for us it's pretty common. Like, we do this anytime, it's easy, but maybe it's not something that y'all do all the time. So dig in with us and get the best Tex Mex nachos that our refrigerator has prepared for us.
Yes.
And for you.
Welcome to Tex Mex Nachos.
First up, the ingredient. Any type of tortilla style chips that you would like. Cheese. You're gonna need more cheese. So we're gonna use a Velveeta cheese for that. You're gonna need Rotel. We like our things a little spicy here, so we're gonna use the hot, but it's up to you. We're gonna add jalapenos, because like I just said, we like it a little spicy. Next, add ground beef. Chop up some bacon and add that to the top. At the end, we're gonna add a dollop of sour cream to our nachos. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the ground beef. We will not use all of this for the nachos. We'll use maybe half, but we're gonna cook it all and save this for whatever we cook tomorrow. Okay, you can season it however you'd like. We're gonna use a little garlic powder just to give it some flavor.
Alright, so you know how much I love bacon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it up into small pieces, and then I'm going to cook the bacon. Alright guys, now once your bacon is nice and crispy, you're going to let it sit, and then go prepare the rest. Alright guys, now the Velveeta, you're going to cut the Velveeta into little pieces so it's easier to warm up on the microwave. Guys, once it's all in the bowl, you're gonna get the Rotel, drain it first, and then you're gonna dump it in. That was easy.
And then we're gonna add a little milk to it, just so that it's not as thick, but that is up to you. And then we're gonna put it in the microwave until it is melted.
This should be enough.
Okay, be sure to stir it every 45 seconds and then put it back in the microwave.
Alright guys, we put a little too much milk, so you can always drain the excess milk out. Alright guys, for us 3 minutes was enough, so make sure that you're constantly checking and opening the microwave and check your cheese, make sure it's melted. Alright, chop up your jalapenos. The thinner the better, guys. Alright guys, now let's get the nachos ready. What we're gonna do is put our chips in the pan. Start layering it up. Add some beef. Add some cheese. Add some Mexican cheese. Add the bacon. Jalapenos, spread them out. Now preset your oven at 350, and then we're gonna put your plate of nachos in for 5 minutes so that it melts the cheese, and then we're gonna take it out and enjoy. Now, if you want to, you can add some sour cream, you can add some hot sauce. If you have avocado, you can add avocado. Voila. Alright guys, so this is it. This is our Tex Mex nachos. Easy to do, it takes you about 30 minutes and it's so good, so delicious.
Disclaimer, we're not professional cooks, so if we can do it, you can do it too.
Thank you for traveling from home. This is Tex Mex Nachos. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Follow us on Instagram and Pinterest at KASVENTURES and our blog, kasventures.org. See you next time.